The film that we decided to do was Catch Me If You Can. A summary of this film: the main character, his name is Frank, started at the age of 16 going through money problems. This caused a big fight between him and his parents, causing them to get a divorce. This made him overwhelmed with the idea of who to live with. The idea of becoming a new character was planted in his mind. Once he got a taste of what it felt like to have power over those who were unaware of his actions, he kept going further with the lies and deceit. He obtained many different personalities and characters. Over a span of 2 years, he got engaged, created 3 different personas, and scammed over $4 million. Characteristics of Frank: he's an outstanding liar, very impulsive and deceitful and overconfident, to a point where he can rob banks and hotels without any fear. He can use his deceitfulness to charm other people to get what he wants and to lie about his financial and his jobs. Psychological disorder diagnosis: we decided to diagnose him with antisocial personality disorder. This is assigned to individuals who have significant impairment in personality function, mental self-functioning, and identity, with self-esteem derived from personal gain and self-direction, with goal setting based on personal gratification. Also, they have impairments in empathy and intimacy with a lack of, according to the DSM. Support for this diagnosis: his persistent lying. He lied to everyone about his age and occupation. He uses his charm or wit to manipulate others for personal gain. He tricks a woman by asking her on a date to get what he wants, to steal money. He was risk-taking, dangerous behavior with no regard for safety of others. He got off the plane, through the toilet as the plane was moving. Psychological disorders in film: we do believe this is an accurate portrayal, but because it is based off a true story, but it is exaggerated for the movie in its extreme case of antisocial disorder. This portrayal shows us this extreme case, making us believe when people aren't to this degree that they are making it up and do not get the right treatment until it gets out of hand. And also, when we do watch a movie, we feel as though if we can relate to one thing, then we have it, causing many people to self-diagnose themselves.